You are the way you are because that's the way you want to be. If you really wanted to be any different, you'd be in the process of changing right now. Do you know who said that? Fred Smith, the founder of a company you may have heard of, FedEx. Greetings. My name is Ron A.K., and I would like to introduce you to my exciting new book, Build Your Career 180, 5 Street Smart Strategies to Never Be Unemployed or Underemployed in Any Economy. Now, if you're an employer, I would encourage you to give a copy of this book to everyone on your team. But if you work for a company, you'll want to invest in this action guide to widen the gap between your compensation and value and never be unemployed or underemployed. And this book shows you how. One of the featured stars on ABC's hit TV show, Secret Millionaire, James Malinchak, listen to what he wrote about my book. With a history as an employer, Ron A.K. has given you, the reader, proven strategies and tactics to ensure the achievement of your career success. Yes, proven strategies. And even if you do get caught in a right sizing, if you've implemented strategy number 4, upgrade, you'll have employment opportunities immediately. This is a fast read, full of inspiration from famous achievers. Keep it with you, and as you complete your career map and the other action guides in the book, you'll quickly gain confidence in your talent that you'll have success and make more money. Now, as I said in the opening quote from FedEx founder Fred Smith, you must make a choice. If you do not choose to take action on the valuable content in this book, then whether you like it or not, and or whether you own up to it or not, you have chosen to join the 97% who are dependent upon the decisions and actions of others. Is that you? No. You know that you're worth it. To invest in yourself. Notice I didn't say buy this book. I said invest in yourself. Get this book and follow the action guides contained in this book to build your career and never be unemployed or underemployed in any economy. Also, there are 3 free bonuses included in this book that I know you'll want to take advantage of right away. So go now to www.buildyourcareer180.com. That's buildyourcareer180.com and invest in yourself.